Hey, bonjour! We're going to do on a from Wednesday, February 3rd. That's le 3 février, on a. So follow along. Whoops, we have a few of these. Already done. Alright, check it out. We have use the correct forms of avoir. That means you have to conjugate. And use inversion and provide an affirmative or negative answer depending on the model. To know what's there. So like tu examen, oui. You attest, yes. So we're going to conjugate with avoir and say as-tu un examen? Do you have a test? Oui, j'ai un examen. Yes, I have a test. So which form goes with nous? Yep, it's avons. So avons-nous? Do we have un dictionnaire? Avons-nous un dictionnaire? Remember, inversion is you switch the subject and verb. Avons-nous un dictionnaire? And we say oui. Do we have one? We can say yes, we have one, or you. It's either you have one or we have one. We'll see what happens. Nous avons un dictionnaire. Okay. Luc and un diplôme. That's a diploma. So we're going to say Luc, and remember how to switch it? A-t-il un diplôme? N'oubliez pas les accents. Diplôme. It says non, so we'll say non. Now make it negative, but ne pas around the verb. Il n'a pas de diplôme. And we put the pas, it's after, pas de. There it's like he doesn't have any. He doesn't have one at all. Diplôme. Il n'a pas de diplôme. Oh. Elle and des montres. They and some watches. So we're going to say, did they have some watches? Conjugate avoir. Look at your chart you made. Yeah. Ont-elles des montres? And we have no. So non. Elle. Right. Put a ne pas around it. Non. Pas de montres. All right, you try one. Vous and des copains. Look at your chart. Right. Avez-vous des copains? Do you have any friends? And the answer is yes, oui. And we're asking, do you have friends? So we're not going to answer yes, you have friends. We're going to say yes, we have friends, or I have friends. Nous avons des copains. Yes, we have friends. Yeah. All right, Thérèse and un téléphone. We're going to say Thérèse. Oh, lots of accents. Thérèse is like Teresa. Thérèse. Right. And then we got to go put the T in there for sound. Un téléphone. Wow. And if you are too lazy to copy accents, you can do that. Oops. Un téléphone. And the answer is oui. So we're asking, does she have a phone? So the answer is yes, she has a phone. Elle a un, again, téléphone. Yeah, elle a un téléphone. Très bien. All right, Charles et Jacques. That's two guys, so we're going to go Charles et Jacques. Two guys is il, right? So ont-ils une calculatrice? Charles et Jacques ont-ils une calculatrice? And we got no, they don't. So non. Il, put ne pas around it. Non. Pas. And remember, when I say pas, you say de. Pas. Pas. I didn't hear you. Okay. Pas de calculatrice. No, pas de calculatrice. All right, two more. We got on and an examen. So does one in general, on just means one, have a test. All right, so we're going to ask, put a T in there for sound. A-t-on un examen? And it's non. So we're going to put a ne pas around the verb, right? Non n'a, can't type today, n'a pas. Oh, okay, yeah, and it's de, but what happens when we have the de right in front of examen? Can you guess what's going to happen? Ooh, somebody knows. Yeah. Des apostrophe, you got it. On n'a pas d'examen, on n'a pas d'examen. And last one, tu, and des livres de français, you and some French books. No, so, as-tu, bless you, as-tu des livres de français? And that's the little tail, so it's not franquais, it's français, little cedilla there. As-tu des livres de français? No. Now, if the question is with tu, you, the answer is probably with je, me. So, je n'ai pas de livres de français. So, je n'ai pas de livres de français. All right, let's see how we did. Oh, sometimes I have some typos. Whoops. Ah, there we go. I left a space there. The L. All right, well, let's fix those. Oh, no, I don't want to accept it. No, I don't. Sorry. Retry. Ah. Okay. Number 3 there. Ooh. Oh, I see what happened there. Ont-elles des montres? Non, elles n'ont pas de montre. Yeah. And the last one, did I just put a... Okay. Avez-vous... Do you have friends? Yes. Oui. What would happen there? I think I just put an extra space in there for number 4. So let me see what happened there. Let me do the retry again, see what happens. All right, so we got to fix our L plural there. And we, nous avons, or you can also, they also had J. We'll see if that works. So j'ai des copains. Fingers crossed. J'ai. I have no idea what happened there. Missing word. J'ai. It's we. Try one more time. Vous avez des copains? Oui, j'ai des copains. Or maybe they want you to put both. Oh, okay, they want you to put both answers there. Okay, so it's either j'ai or nous avons des copains for number 4. That was tough, so they want you to put both. So this is the only one I had trouble with, so that's why we made this one a video. So thanks for watching. Again, we got avons-nous un dictionnaire? Oui, nous avons un dictionnaire. Luc a-t-il un diplôme? Non, il n'a pas de diplôme. Ont-elles des montres? Non, elles n'ont pas de montre. Avez-vous des copains? Oui, j'ai des copains, or nous avons des copains. Thérèse a-t-il un téléphone? Oui, elle a un téléphone. Charles et Jacques ont-ils une calculatrice? Non, ils n'ont pas de calculatrice. A-t-on un examen? Non, on n'a pas d'examen. As-tu des livres de français? Non, je n'ai pas de livres de français. All right, merci. Thanks for watching.